The most powerful U.S. military machines ever. In a world where global power is defined by technology, speed, intelligence, and dominance, one nation has engineered machines so advanced, so precise, and so unbelievably powerful that they have reshaped the meaning of modern warfare. Today, we take a deep, immersive journey into the most powerful U.S. military machines ever created, machines that operate in the sky, on land, beneath the oceans, and in the silent corners of the world where only the most elite technology survives. These machines are not just tools of war, they are symbols of engineering brilliance, strategic superiority, and decades of relentless innovation. High above the clouds, where temperatures drop to extremes and every second counts, the United States Air Force commands fighter jets that represent the absolute peak of aeronautical engineering. Among them, the stealth fighters stand in a league of their own. With razor-sharp aerodynamics, ultra-quiet engines, and radar-defying skins, these jets glide through the sky like shadows. They are built for missions where detection means defeat and silence means survival. Their onboard computers process millions of calculations per second, allowing the pilot to lock onto multiple targets long before the enemy even knows something is coming. With heat-tracking missiles, precision-guided systems, and afterburners that unleash raw power, these jets dominate the sky with unmatched authority. They strike fast, vanish instantly, and return home unseen. Air dominance is not just a strategy for the United States, it is a guarantee. While the skies belong to stealth, the seas belong to giants, massive steel titans that cut through the oceans with silent confidence. The U.S. Navy's aircraft carriers are floating fortresses, each one larger than an entire football stadium, equipped with nuclear reactors that can run for over 20 years without refueling. These warships carry a full city on board, thousands of sailors, advanced radars, powerful weapon systems, and an entire fleet of aircraft ready to launch at a moment's notice. From the deep blue waters of the Pacific to the turbulent waves of the Atlantic, these carriers project American power across the world. They can respond to any threat, anywhere, anytime. Their defensive systems detect incoming missiles, jets, or submarines long before they become a danger, and their offensive capabilities make them one of the most feared machines in military history. When an American aircraft carrier arrives near a conflict zone, the global balance of power shifts immediately. But power is not limited to the oceans. On land, the United States deploys armored beasts, machines designed to cross rough terrain, survive direct hits, and deliver crushing firepower. These tanks are not just metal machines, they are technological ecosystems. Built with reactive armor, advanced targeting sensors, and stabilized cannons that remain steady even at high speed, these tanks can eliminate threats with pinpoint accuracy. Their engines roar like thunder, crushing obstacles beneath their treads as they push forward into the battlefield. Equipped with night vision capability, thermal imaging, and automated defense systems, they are nearly unstoppable. In the harsh conditions of deserts, mountains, and forests, these armored giants maintain their strength and precision as if the environment around them does not exist. They dominate the land with sheer presence and overwhelming force. Yet some of the most powerful machines are the ones the world never sees, hidden away in darkness, engineered for silence, secrecy, and precision. The United States leads in advanced unmanned aerial vehicles, drones equipped with long-range cameras, satellite communication, and guided strike capabilities. These drones fly at altitudes where they appear no larger than a speck of dust on radar, sometimes operating for more than 24 hours without landing. They observe enemy movements, gather intelligence, and deliver surgical strikes with incredible accuracy. Alongside them are stealth helicopters used by elite special forces for missions that require absolute secrecy. These helicopters are so quiet that they can hover above targets without being detected, slipping in and out of hostile zones like ghosts in the night. Below the surface lies another world, one ruled by engineering marvels designed to remain unseen forever: submarines. U.S. nuclear submarines patrol the darkest depths of the oceans, carrying ballistic missiles capable of reaching continents. Hidden beneath thousands of feet of water, protected by silence, these submarines are the ultimate weapon of deterrence. Their nuclear reactors allow them to operate for months at a time without surfacing. Inside, advanced sonar systems map the ocean landscape, detect enemy vessels, and maintain constant communication with command centers thousands of miles away. These submarines can strike targets with unmatched speed and power, making them one of the most feared machines ever built by any nation. And then, at the peak of American military power, stands the most powerful machine of all, the U.S. nuclear triad. This strategic force is the backbone of national defense, ensuring that, no matter where a threat may arise, the United States maintains the capability to respond with devastating strength. The triad is made of three components: land-based intercontinental ballistic missiles housed in reinforced underground silos, long-range strategic bombers capable of carrying nuclear payloads, and submarine-launched ballistic missiles hidden deep beneath the ocean. Together, they create a system so powerful and so reliable that it discourages any nation from even considering an attack. This is the ultimate display of deterrence, a triad built not to start war but to prevent it. Every machine we have explored today, whether flying through the sky at supersonic speed, sailing through oceans like a steel mountain, rolling across deserts like a titan, or hiding in the silent deep, represents the absolute peak of American engineering. They are the result of decades of research, billions of dollars of innovation, and the dedication of countless scientists, engineers, and military personnel. They protect borders, maintain global stability, and ensure that peace is preserved through strength. These are not just machines, they are the guardians of a nation, the symbols of technological excellence, and the most powerful military creations the United States has ever built. This is the true face of American military dominance, a force that commands the sky, the sea, and the land with unwavering authority. These are the most powerful U.S. military machines ever.